VTube Studio just got an update where we can now group Artmesh together and recolor them all at once. Prior to this update, you had to manually select the desired Artmesh and copy and paste colors for each. The new feature that allows you to update your layer groups can be found by double-clicking, heading to your settings, going to the Model Settings tab, and selecting Customize Model. Here you can choose the new option, Set up Layer Groups, and add a new group. I'll be doing my hair as an example, so first I'll change the group name. You'll notice that your model will be cast in a cyan hue by default to represent Artmesh not currently included in the group. As you select Artmesh to be included, they will become highlighted in magenta. You can adjust these two colors here in the group editor options on the right. If your model has thoroughly named Artmesh, you can add them in bulk by using their ID. I know my hair is separated into a few different naming conventions, but I can add them all one by one. If you mess up, you can also remove them in bulk as well. The user data section will perform in a similar way, but only if you have a user data file. Your modeler might not have made one of these. If you have one, it will be included in your model folder. If you are your own VTuber model maker, you can create this file by first adding user data for an Artmesh and checking the export user data file option during export. If you don't have one, the ID system should suffice, or you can manually select the mesh yourself by clicking on an area that you know the mesh exists and choosing from the options listed, or simply by scrolling. Note that there are a couple of sorting options, as well as a search bar if you're looking for a specific mesh. Once you're done, you can hit OK, and now the group will show up in your list. You can repeat this process for each layer group. Once your layer groups are set up, you can recolor your model similar to how you used to. Click on the Customize Model button again, and select Customize Multiply/Screen Color for art meshes. Then, instead of selecting or searching for your art mesh, you can click the From Group button in the top right, and select your newly made group. Now you can easily set the group's color all at once. After recoloring, the new art mesh orientation can be recorded in your Expressions menu to link up with Twitch redeems or hotkeys. If you need more information on how to set all of that up, I'll link my crash course for VTube Studio down below. I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to get it out since the feature is new and I'm super excited about it. So I hope you get it set up quickly, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!